Welcome back to another lesson of Microsoft Excel. In this lesson, we are going to learn all about the time function and how it works in Microsoft Excel. Well, basically, just like you can hear, it's all about the time, right? Now, how does the format get saved and also, represents it to you, and how you can add or subtract time from, a specific data? Keep one thing in mind is that when you are putting up your data and using it as time, it sometimes it does not identify as a time. Okay, so what you have to do is, let's say I'm going to do is type on over here and 9. Let's say I'm going to do is type in 9 a.m. hit on enter, and you can see that it directly turns it into a time format. You can see it goes off to custom, and when you click on this custom option, you will basically see that this is the time. But not all of the data which you put are times. Okay, so make sure to see that those are into custom and in times. Okay, so that you get the specific addition and also subtraction. Now what we're going to do is going to be seeing how they are stored as. Okay, I'm going to press on Control C, Control V. Now what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to select on them, and I'm going to do is turn them into general. So this is how they are basically stored as numerical values. Now what we're going to do is calculate these exact times. First I'm going to do is put in a certain value, let's say 3, 4. Let's say I'm going to do is type in 47 and type in 14. Now what we're going to do is add this and this at the same time. Now how are you going to do that? First off, you're going to do is type in equal, select the specific cell. What you're going to do is click on plus, okay? Plus, then put in your function called time. Now it's going to be our hour. Let's say these are minutes, okay? Now I'm going to type in 0, comma. The minute is going to be this one, comma, and the second is going to be 0. Close off the parentheses, hit on enter, and there we go. It is 9:03 a.m. Now what we're going to do is, let's add 4 hours to this. I'm going to do is type in equal, select the cell, plus, I'm going to do is type in time. Now select the hour. Let's say this is going to be the hour, 0, comma, 0, which is also the second. Close off the parentheses, hit on enter, and you can see now it is 2:23 p.m. Also, the format has changed, okay? I'm going to do the same thing on the last ones. Let's say I'm going to do is add 2 of these up. I'm going to do is type in equal, select this, plus this, okay? Let's try this, okay? You can see 4 a.m. the next day. Now, if you go off over here, click on custom, you can also go off the short date, and this will also give you the exact time of it. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Type in equal, select the cell. I'm going to do is click on plus, time, and fix the hour or minute or second. I'm going to do is click on hour to be 0, comma, minute should be 14, and then 0 over here. Close off the parentheses, hit on enter, and there we go. We have our exact results of how you can calculate times in Microsoft Excel. Now we're going to do is calculate hour when date and time are combined. What I'm going to do is get some dates. Let's just type in 1/2/2023 or maybe 2020. Okay, I'm going to do is increase the cell. Okay, I'm going to do is keep it this way. And what we're going to do is get the times over here to click on date. I want long date with time. What I'm going to do is get the times over here too. I'm going to do is add in a specific date too at the same time. Increase the cell, and there we go. I want this one to be visible too. Hit on enter. Let's say I'm going to do is keep it up over here. Let's say this is 12 a.m. I'm going to do is type in, let's say 2:00 p.m. Hit on enter. There we go. I'm going to do is increase this up over here. You can see all of them a.m. p.m. There we go. We have all of them over here. Now 2 hours is being added on all of them. Now what we're going to do is add it up, click on equal, plus this, hit on enter, and you can see this is how it will work. Now even though I have all the values, we're going to get like all of the values at the same time. We're going to do is type in equal. Now first thing you can do is go off to custom and then fix out your date. Okay, I'm going to click on this, go off to this format, click on more number settings, and go up to custom, and make sure to find out, let's say I'm going to go up and find out H, and M at the same time. I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to do is find this one over here. Now we're going to do one thing by going off to custom, is that I'm going to do sum all of them up. First, I'm going to click on equal and just type in sum, select all of them, close the parentheses, hit on enter, and you can see we have a specific timeline. Okay, what we're going to do is select on this value, click on the number format, more number formats, go off to custom, and make sure to find out this one. Okay, click on this, and you can see this is how it will look like. Try closing off the brackets, and there we go, we have our exact value. Click on OK, and there we go, this is the exact value of the summation. Now you can do is go off the numbers too, and you can fix it up according to your desire. You can also turn this into a time later on if you want to. What I'm going to do is get short date, and you can see it also adds up to the date, okay, all together. So now you know how the time functions work in Microsoft Excel. Hope you understood everything, and now let's move on to our next lesson of Microsoft Excel.